DM Astrology. Today in the field of nature, we are doing this video. There's a very important note for every viewers. There's a very important event that are going to happen during the October, and that is why, for benefit of all, I came with this video. So just see to it that how much best result you can able to get with this planetary position, because now this yoga will going to happen after at least 10 to 12 years. So it is a very important, at least 20 years, sorry. By 20 years you will get this result again. So not to miss this. This yoga is Jupiter and Saturn. Both are in the Capricorn from 15 September now, 15 September 2021 to 11th October 2021. This 25 days, they both will be staying together. It's okay, they both can be sit together. But here, the Jupiter is debilitated, Saturn in own sign, right? And Jupiter Neecha Bhanga Rajya, that is also very important. That's also one of a very powerful yoga, Neecha Bhanga Rajya. And more important is that both are retrograde. And within that period, both one after another will become stationary. So here is the main thing that you have to see, that how they both are going to get a result and how you going to get the good result from them. Now talking one by one, by 15 September 2021, Jupiter reversely came from Aquarius to Capricorn. Saturn is already in the Capricorn and retrograde. Jupiter is coming to the Capricorn with the retrogression, although it has came last year only to the sign, but now it is again re-entering from the Aquarius to the Capricorn in retrograde mode. So 15th September to 11th of October, both will be remaining retrograde in the Capricorn. Now those having Capricorn sign in their Kendra, those having the Chara Lagna will having the Capricorn in their Kendra house. So whatever the maximum benefit you wish to take from yourself, if it is in first house, from fourth house if you wish to buy a property or to sell the property right time, if you are not yet married and if it is happening in your seventh house, suppose you are Cancer ascendant, then this will happen in your seventh house, best time to get married, best time to open the opportunity for the marriage. And those facing in the 10th house, those having the Aries ascendant, they are having a 10th house, start any new business. This will be the best time for you to start the new business. So this way, this is a best time for you to initiate anything which is pending. Because those having the Jupiter Saturn in the Kendra and both are retrograde, it is a hyperness of the planet and immediately your things will be completed. First thing. Second thing, those having this yoga in Trikona, like somebody is having in the like a Virgo ascendant, they will be having in 5th house. So their pending education, love affair, if you are in the love, this is the right time to reveal that and to clear it out and get a positive response from the partner, that your pending things will be fulfilled. See, we all know that Jupiter is for the family, finance, marriage life, children, higher education, luck, mentors, those who are. Then you have good luck, foreign traveling, gain, friends, social. So many things from the Jupiter, and Saturn is a deed. When Saturn is retrograde, your deeds will be mature fast. So this benefit you will get if your Saturn is in the Saturn Jupiter both are in the 5th house if you are Virgo ascendant. And those having the Taurus ascendant, you will be having this combination in your 9th house. So whatever related to your luck, you are going to decide about any change about your luck, anything with the religious things, anything with the mentoring, anything with the foreign traveling, immediately grab the opportunity for this 25 days and do initiate anything during this period. This will be the right time for you to get the your desired result. Those having in the 2 3 11 house this combination, then you have to try hard. You have to try hard to get the desired result. So at least you can try and get the result. And those having in the 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, there also there will be a good benefit. If it is in the 6th house, change the job if you are going to change. Change your employers if you wish to change the employers. Compromise in the litigation or file a suit if you are in 8th house. If you have any inheritance gain, inheritance property, it's the right time. If you have any fear related to your life, try to sort it out your fears within this 25 days. And those having any liability or expenditure, they are time to convert it into the investment if it is transiting to the 12th house. So all the way it will be a benefit only, because both are in the good position. Saturn in his own home, Jupiter is debilitated but Nicha Bhanga Rajyog, and both are retrograde. When planets are retrograde, there are so many videos I have done about the retrogression. When planets are in the retrogression, that is a time where you will get a maximum benefit from that planet. So this is the right time for you to having any house. If you have a Jupiter Saturn together in your any of a house, you will be benefited, but you have to take result within that bracket of 15th September to 11th October. Within that time span, if you take a call, your time is there. Now more powerful time out of this 25, what is a more powerful time is the first you will get on 8th of October when Saturn becomes stationary. Saturn will start become stationary from 8th of October to 14th of October, because on the 11th it will be going to motion, and in motion also it will hold for the 3 days, and from 14 onward it will fast moving. So between 8th October to 14th October the Saturn will be stationary. This is so many time in my Saturn video, in my many of a Saturn stationary period I mentioned that this is the best time for you to initiate any deeds. Because when you initiate during the Saturn stationary period, that things will work fast. Whatever your karmas are there, if you want to release your karmas, this is the right time. Now many people ask what to do. Do start any act, or you can start doing charity, donation during this period, so that to release from the past things. If you wish to release anything from the past, this is also a right time for you. So for releasing from the anything whatever you have created earlier, that is also this is a time. So this option also you will be getting by this. So there is nothing bad in it, and you will be benefited all the way. So Saturn stationary period I mentioned 8th of October to 14th October. In between that, on 16th October, from 16th October to 21st October, that Jupiter is also going to retrograde, stationary. So Jupiter stationary period will be somewhat 2 days ahead to the Saturn. First Saturn will stationary between 8th of October to 14th October, and from 16th October to 21st October Jupiter will be stationary. So anything pending with your family, finance, children, higher education, love affair, marriage, partnership, any public appearance, your luck, your faith, your religious deeds, your future planning, your foreign traveling, your social, your friend circle, your expected gain, or any financial matter if you are waiting, that initiate during that period or start doing during this period. See, during the Saturn stationary, we always say start anything new, any new deeds. And during the Jupiter stationary, we say any financial investment or financial deals you can do during this period. So that better you will be getting 3 good time between 15th September to 11th of October. Jupiter Saturn both retrograde, seated together in Capricorn. From 8th October to 14th October, the Saturn will be stationary, the best time for you to start anything new. And between 16th October to 21st October, Jupiter will be stationary to initiate anything what I have mentioned earlier. So these three good golden opportunity you will be getting from 15th of September till your 21st of October. So that entire this 35 days you will be benefited from Jupiter and Saturn, and then onward both will be in motion and they will be hyper to complete the sign. Then Jupiter will complete the sign within a 1 month, and then Saturn also will complete after 6 months. So thereafter there will be very less time to get result from them. So now you have a time, now you have an opportunity, so make it possible, do it and see that how golden result you will be finding. So that is why I have done this video, to get you all maximum benefit. So do like this video, apply in your case and share with others, so that other will be also benefit. See, that is also work of a Saturn retrograde and Saturn stationary, to make them others to be aware and others to be helped. So I hope that you will like this video and you will be sharing amongst yours, so to get the maximum benefit by all. So herewith I complete this lesson. You all will be blessed by Jupiter and Saturn, and do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology. You can see my various articles in my Facebook page DM Astrology Dharmesh Mehta, or you can see my website www.dmastrology.com, or for any information or consultation you can contact me in my mobile number given here for any kind of a guidance. So I hope you like this video. We'll come with the new videos, new knowledge very soon. Till that, God bless you. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.